This one's kind of an interesting question because which number satisfies this equation? Well, we need to create an equation that's going to have f of x on one side, 2x squared plus 4, and it's going to equal another equation that we get when we plug this equation into that equation. That's going to take some doing. It's a little bit more than it initially looks. G of x is this whole equation. We're going to plop that in place of that x there. And I'm going to do that off to the side because it's going to require a little bit of doing. So I've got 2 times something squared plus 4. And that equation is based on 2 times something squared plus 4. That's the f function. But in place of x, I've left a set of parentheses. And in that parentheses goes this, the x minus 3. Now I got to FOIL that first, and then I'm going to multiply by 2, and then I'm going to add 4. So there's a process here. If you do x minus 3 and x minus 3, you're going to FOIL. It's an x squared. Outer and inner are going to get you a minus 3x and another minus 3x. And then the last is a plus 9. So inside the parentheses, you combine your like terms, minus 6x plus 9, and then plus 4. So distribute the 2. 2x squared minus 12x plus 18, then plus 4. I combine those terms and I'll bring it over here. 2x squared minus 12x. Now all we have is a plus 22. We have a lot of things that are the same here. If I subtract the 2x squared from both sides, they're going to go away, which is kind of nice. Which leaves me, and I'll clean this up just a little bit, 4 equals negative 12x plus 22. And I could subtract one thing or add another. I'm going to add 12x to both sides. I like keeping my variables positive. But at the same time, I can move this 4 over because it's not really needing to be there anymore. So now I got a 12x is equal to 18. So divide by 12. There's no answer that's 18 over 12. But if you look at the possible answers, if you look at reducing this, 6 goes into both numbers. 6 goes into 18 3 times, into 12 twice.